Everyone loves pizza, and I've come up with an amazing low-carb keto one-pan pizza that takes less than 10 minutes to make.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So I make my dough in a blender. It's just easier. So into the cup I add psyllium husk, mixed Italian dried herbs, freshly grated parmesan cheese, along with the eggs, and I season with pepper. Blend it until it forms a thick paste. This dough is so good for you. It's full of protein, and that psyllium husk really helps with lowering blood pressure, lowering cholesterol, and helps with weight loss. Now into a small saucepan, add extra virgin olive oil and bring it to a medium heat. Place in the dough and carefully push it out to the sides of the pan using a spatula. Now the dough may look dense, but once it's in the pan, it will cook almost like an omelette, becoming light, airy, and fluffy. Cook it on both sides over a medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. You can lift up the edges to see if it's ready too. Once flipped, I place tomato puree and spread it over the base. You can change up any of these toppings as you want. I'm just going for the classic tomato, cheese, and basil. Now place over grated mozzarella cheese and place under the grill or into a hot oven for 2 minutes or until that cheese has melted. Bring it out and scatter over fresh basil leaves and serve immediately. It's a pizza for one or one to share, but it's truly delicious and heavenly for those looking for a really great tasting, carb-busting pizza that's got all the hallmarks of pizza, but loaded with protein.